the borrowing game of the poor, excess in deception, absence in repayment. The behavior of the less fortunate seems driven by an indescribable pattern: excess in deception, absence in repayment. When a white-collar worker, or a middle-class individual resides in an area dominated by the less privileged, neighbors become perpetual borrowers. Today, they borrow this. Tomorrow, they seek that. And the aftermath of misuse is often left unaddressed. This conduct of the poor appears ingrained in the social DNA of their community, sending shivers down one's spine. Even more chilling is their tendency to borrow items clearly impossible to return, such as salt or sugar, leaving the interaction hanging. If your home lacks items for them to borrow, they turn around and mock you. Understanding how such a mindset takes root in the impoverished remains an enigma. This borrowing game seems like an unwritten feast within the poor community, where they joyfully borrow and laugh, while you become the perpetual ATM, constantly dispensing various lendable items. How did the poor conceive such thinking? Is it a habit or an inescapable societal mentality? This phenomenon might warrant deeper contemplation, not just about the poor but also about how we maintain reason and dignity in this seemingly lively borrowing game. After all, excess in deception, absence in repayment, is not a set of rules a healthy society should endure.